Machiegni kendo riwruogno manono kanyo tije apisas mag obila mapacho kaendi manendo IPOA migawo nendo mar arita kwe kaachiel kod riwruoge mamoko koro chako chenro manendo mar timo twak kod oganda jokenya ewi kaka ginyalo bedo jogik modimbore maonge timbego mag njore. Chenro nendo mong'ere kaka Say No to Crime ka gitwak e boma nendo ma Kisumu e kar mago romo mama Grace Onyango Hola giyango kanyo ni oganda oyiene ni gibedo jogik mobedhore ma gidonjo wechege mag muocho tulo to moloyo e kinde ma yiero ma higa manyien mar 2027 koro medo kayo machiegni.
As we are aware, what IPOA has actually been trying to do is to ensure that the gap is not there between the police, the public, and more so on the youth. And the emerging issues that are also coming on board of Gunism, ideally majority are also the youth. They are not elderly people, they are majorly the youth. But we also have to appreciate that there's a very active activity that is actually ongoing for the Jukwaa la Wasomi. I don't know whether you've heard about it. So Jukwaa la Wasomi ideally is bringing a concept whereby the youths are being trained on mediation and also on issues that actually affect the common that affect them in terms of security. So currently they are close to almost more than 1,000 or so youths have actually been trained, both university, TVETs, and those other entities. But when you talk about crime, ideally, what you remember that where we come as IPOA, when there's a public order management, ideally, that's where there's a challenge. And the demonstration of the public order that does not actually attract criminal activity, then IPOA does not even have much to say. But demonstrations that have criminal activity, then you hear that sometimes there's a lot of crash between the public and the police. So if at all youth can desist from crime ideally, then we are sure that even this peaceful demonstration will not actually even have to get some cases of either brutality or match on match between the police and the public.
IPOA as today organized this community forum, majorly like to put youths together and the several stakeholders, that is security agencies and the judiciary. Here we have around over 360 community members. So we decided to organize this forum in that we wanted because our theme was to organize this due to the things that are happening currently in Kisumu in terms of Gunism, insecurity and crime matters.
I'm one of the youths under IPOA. Crime IPOA has really helped. At times, let me say, I used to have a lot of free time. Crime IPOA was able to give me a place to study, read, and also nurture talents. It helps in nurturing talents. I'm a great artist. It gave me the platform to produce my works and also spread awareness to help other kids who are wasting their times at homes. Right now, due to the issue, a lot of kids are at home due to fees, maybe other issues, and the environment that they are in doesn't enable them to study well.